Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today we will be unboxing Xiaomi Redmi Note 8, uh, the base variant, which is 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of ROM, and it is in Neptune blue color. So yeah, I will tell about the features in a bit, but before that, the MRP, as you can see in the box, is written 12,999, but it was launched at 9,999, approximately 10,000. So yeah, and about the features, it comes with quad cam setup. So it has 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel uh, ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 2 megapixel macro lens is also there. And it comes with 18-watt fast charger in the box this time. And it has a 4000 mAh battery which supports type C charging. And the processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor with Adreno 610 GPU. And it also has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on front and back. So yeah, and some extra features are also there, which includes IR blaster, P2i splash proof is also there. And this time Xiaomi has given 2+1 dedicated SIM slot, and it also has a 13 megapixel front camera. So yeah, anyways, so let's get started. So as you open the box now, we will see what's inside. And yeah, sorry for the late video, had some work actually. So anyways, as we open the box, the first is the box only, extra box, which contains case and SIM ejector tool. As you can see, the SIM ejector tool is there, and it has manual and is transparent silicone case, which Xiaomi almost provide with all the devices nowadays. So yeah, as you can see the case here. So we will keep that aside, and we will now bring the model out, mounted device out. So this is the device. We will keep that aside, and now we will take this charger out. So it has a type C USB cable, as you can see, type C USB cable, and the charger is 18-watt fast charger. So we will keep all this aside now, and now we will see the main device. Sorry about any mistakes, this is actually the first time I'm trying something new, so please appreciate it. And for more details and for buying the device, please check the links in the description. So we will remove all the labels. The device look pretty good, and now we will see what's on the edge. There is speaker type C and 3.5mm jack also, and the SIM ejector. I'll show you the SIM ejector also. So yeah, this is a SIM ejector which supports 2+1 dedicated cards. And there is a rubber band also which shows the P2i splash proof actually. So yeah, we'll keep that inside, and now we will start the device. So I'll just as the device starts, I'll just skip most of the part, and I will get back straight to the point when the device starts. So MIUI 10 MIUI 10 is there. So you just skip all the additional information which will come because of the bloatware of MIUI 10 has, as you all know, only most of them. So yeah, so I'll just skip this part. So yeah, the device is booted up, and we will see the display is pretty nice. It is full HD plus display, and we will see about some specs of the phone. So as you can see, it runs on Android Pie 9 actually, and the MIUI version is 10.3.3 latest, and Xiaomi has told that it will receive MIUI 11 update soon by the end of the year. So yeah, let's hope for the best. And one more thing, that it will allow, but it will forcefully let you to install most of the apps, which you can uninstall it. So please be careful about that. So apart from that, I will give a thumbs up to this device. It's pretty great device, and the design is also good. But at this price range, it is very good, I guess. So yeah, thanks for watching, and like, share and subscribe and support us.